You don't have to turn your life upside down to have an adventure. All you have to do is change one little thing. Find out more in the next
Adventure!
When I was a kid, me and my sisters used to love playing the game of Monopoly. Only it wasn't the standard game. It was a special board that my dad had created. He created all new spaces with new properties and new cards, and he even created a half-size board that you could put alongside the standard board or this new one he created. It was a lot of fun, and we had hours of enjoyment out of those two game boards. Life is a way of becoming routine. Often we find ourselves doing the same things over and over again. Now, in a way, this can make us more effective, but at the same time, it can make life more monotonous. If you want to live a life full of adventure, a life that you love to live, then you've got to shake things up a bit. And what better way to shake things up than with games? You may not have the time or desire to make your own game board, but there are so many ways that you can make games more exciting. For instance, you can play the same game, but play it backwards. Or you could get new dice so that you could go up to 24 spaces a turn instead of 12. You could also make people do a chicken dance every time they land on luxury tax. Or whenever they buy a property, they have to sing a line of their favorite song. There are infinite ways to make games more interesting and more exciting. You could make game time even more creative. For instance, you might have your friends or your kids come up with an idea of how to use playing cards in a new game. Or you might take an existing board and come up with a new way to play it with new rules. Finally, why not try beating someone at their own game, or at least playing their own game? Now, during Thanksgiving, the kids and I got together and we had a lot of fun, but somebody had the idea of playing Minecraft together. This is a game we used to play when they were younger. We used to play it all the time. But since then, we've all gone on to different things. Now, I could have forced us to play a board game together, but doing this activity that we always used to do became so much fun. We mined together, we created new structures together, and we just enjoyed creating all kinds of cool stuff. And it was great to see my oldest son really growing in his design skills and my youngest sons really growing in their relational and teamwork skills. There's no reason to be stuck in a rut. Games are a great way to spend time together, bond during the holidays, and enjoy the winter months. Making a small change can make the fun more exciting and can make life more of an adventure. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. And if you have ideas for future videos, please leave those ideas in the comments below. If you want to be alerted when we have new videos available, hit the subscribe button. And finally, if you want to learn more about how you can have a more adventurous life, visit our blog at seedowinproductions.com. I hope you have a wonderful day full of adventure and you find where your adventure will take you.